Okay, dear children, in this video we are going to learn how to write the negative and the question mark sentences to the simple past. Already in the previous class we have learned how to write the negative and question mark sentences to the simple present. Once again, let's remind it. They play chess. Where is the verb here? Play. He eats mangoes. Where is the verb here? Eats. In this sentence, is there any helping verb? There is no any helping verb. There is no helping verb. But they play chess, that is in simple present, can be written with helping verb. How? They do play chess. But why do we write do play here? To write negative, we have to write the helping verb here. Do play and play, both are same. Do play and play, both are same. Okay? Eats. He eats mangoes. He does eat. Don't write it. Eat mangoes. Okay? Here, does eat equal to eats. Generally, we have to write the simple present like this. But when we write negative form, we have to write the helping verb also. Okay? Now, tell me the negative form of they play chess. They do not play chess. He eats mangoes. He does not eat mangoes. In the same way, question form. Question form is helping verb plus subject plus main verb. Helping verb, subject plus main verb. Here, where is the helping verb? Do. Where is the subject? They. Main verb is play. Chess. Other words? Chess. Do they play chess? This is question mark sentence. Question mark sentence in simple present. Negative sentence in simple present. Affirmative sentence in simple present. All these are in simple present only. Okay. Now we are going to write the simple past tense. Simple past tense sentences. Then how to write negative and how to write positive. Now tell me the simple past of they play chess. They. Simple past. Played. In simple past, the verb is in second form. Played chess. Okay. How to write the same sentence which is in simple past with helping verb? That is important. For simple present, we write the helping verb do and does. For simple past, did. They played is did play. Don't write play again. Did play is equal play. Both are same. Played can be written as did play. One more example. Ate. Ate. Is it in first form or second form? Second form. Eat, ate, eaten. This is written as did eat. This is also simple past. It is in simple past. It is also simple past. This is without helping verb. This is with helping verb. Both are same. Okay. So they did play chess. Then the negative. They didn't play chess. Understood? Now we are going to write some more sentences in simple past. Not only that, negatives and the question mark sentences. Okay? First, affirmative. Affirmative is positive sentence. For example, Smita likes apples. This is in simple present, but the simple past is like. Smita liked apples. Okay? Smita liked apples means Smita did like apples. Liked means did like. You can read as Smita liked apples or Smita did like apples. Both are same. Okay? But when you write in affirmative, you have to write like this. When you write negative, tell me the negative. Smita
did like apple.
negative.
Didn't
Didn't or did not like
apples.
apples. Question format. Question format is helping verb plus subject plus main verb. This is the structure of writing question mark sentence. Helping verb. What is the helping verb here? Did. Subject is Smita. Main verb is like. Apples. Did Smita like apples? Okay. Let us write one more sentence. She, okay, went to movie. She went to movie. Where is the verb here? Went. Went can be written as with helping verb. Who can say? Did go. Did go. Went is equal to did go. Okay. Now negative form. She did not go to movie. She did not go to movie. Now question form. Did she go to movie? This is question mark sentence in a simple past. All these are in simple past. This is affirmative in simple past. This is negative in simple past. This is question mark sentence in a simple past. Tell me one more example. One more example. For example, the children ate chocolates. The children ate chocolates. Okay? Where is the verb in the sentence? Verb in the sentence is ate. Ate can be written as with the helping verb. Did eat. Very good. Did eat. Did eat. So now tell me the negative form. The children did not eat chocolates. Okay? Did not or didn't. You can say that. Next one. Did the children eat chocolates? This is the question mark sentence. Like this, you can write any sentence in simple past, in negative form, under question mark sentences. Answered? If you have any doubt, ask me.